Can't touch this.
Would you want to get a bath?
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Alright, Bilbo, don't let anybody in! Shut the gate! Shut the gate, Bilbo!
Who's here? Who's here? Someone's here! Someone's here!
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Okay. Stella, you want to go bang?
I love you!
Guys, I found a frog. His name is Jimmy. Oh crap, Max! No, don't eat Jimmy! No!
How do you feel about the cone in your head?
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat. I love you! I love you! I love you! What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Lexi. 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 Okay.
Okay, Sophie, ready? Go!
Rico, let's go out for a walk. Come on. Come on, Rico. Come on. Come on. Rico, come. Come on, Rico. Let's go out for a walk. You want to go out for a walk? Come on. Come on, Rico. Come on. You want to go out for a walk? Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. It's going to be fun. Come on. Come on. You really don't want to go out for a walk, do you?
Que me pilló.
We were going to run away, me and Celine. He was sick of it, and so was I.
What stopped you running away?
My dad found out about us and came around.
I want to have a word with you, alright? Can you get out, please? Let's go.